And today it's all about
beans.
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 Don't dribble them on the desk.
2 minute meals.
2 minute meals. That's a new vlog, 2 minute meals. Hello and welcome to another Hairy Strider vlog. This week has been a really interesting week because I've had a bit of time spent with the guys over at Buff Monkeys, the car detailers. But I have also done some walking, and a lot of the walking I've done is been to test out my new boots. My lovely wife Michelle got me some new boots, Snowdogs, and there it is. These are the Snowdogs.
Oh, yeah.
Tested them out. They're comfy, they're warm, they've got a nice warm lining, and they're waterproof. But more of that later. First of all, we're going to head over to Buff Monkeys, see what's going on over there. I've got nothing to throw at the camera, Chris. Roll the title. Gonna go and see the guys at Buff Monkeys. They do some awesome car detailing. My main man Aki over there wants me to do some filming for him, so I'm gonna go over and take a look and see what he's got going on today. Here with Aki at Buff Monkeys, and he's going to show us some car magic. This will come out of here like it was better than a joke.
Yeah, I've got a few pictures for you. It was a very dull finish.
What's your kind of process?
On that side of on bird stains, I'll have to use sandpaper, wet sanding,
Right.
then compound, 3 stages of polishing.
Okay.
Compound, polish, refine. Now I'm doing them immediately.
What's that, Aki?
It's the polish just to make them a bit shinier, just a bit dull. And we're gonna coat them with ceramic coating as well. So even the calipers I'm gonna have to do later.
So what you're saying is I've got to come back tomorrow and do some more, yeah?
Yeah.
Right. Then some shiny calipers. Doing day 2 at Buff Monkeys. How's it going, bro? All good? Yeah.
Shall we have a look?
Let's have a look. Let's do it. How much longer you got to go on it?
Probably about an hour and a half.
Wow.
The seat coating. The wheels have been sealed, except they need to be torque wrench adjusted.
What the hell? See? Cotton buds.
Yeah. Made especially for cars.
Q-tips.
Not these ones, I doubt it. It's a rare thing.
So there's not many of these about?
No. You believe 900 Newton meters of torque.
Some serious pull.
Tire dressing. We're gonna use this one, it's water based. And Swiss Wax new brush. All these diagonal lines,
Yep.
I have to do them like that. So, using some factory finish, not a fake cheap car wash. Right. This is 250 mil. The equivalent in cost, money-wise, you can buy probably 10 or 15 liters of whatever they use on
Right.
tires with 250 mil.
But that would last longer.
It will last longer and it's safer as well, and it doesn't flicker on the bodywork. This tire is gonna get done once more after we move it because there's a flat spot
To get it
on the
perfect.
dressing in there. Cheat CI makes a huge difference.
That kind of works. Kind of see where I'm going. Right,
Alright.
we're back out again.
Stopped Doris is brewing. But we've just had a brew.
We've had a brew, we've gone for a walk. It's extreme walking. We've had a break. But we're back. Where are we? Mersey. Mersey Island. Testing out the new boots. Back in, big fun.